Hello, Rishi. Now, let's have a look at this. This is the first page that I've opened. I think it's really good the fact that you've organized it this way. But the before and after pictures, make sure that you put them in the right place and make sure they're not the Dermapen before and after pictures. You just go and do a Google search for before and after pictures, and you should be able to find them. Then what I would suggest is, so you've got to reorganize the picture. Certainly, I haven't actually read really quickly. It seems okay. Make sure it's different to what it was in the Dermapen website. And say, for example, for what is microneedling, I would actually add another picture here on what microneedling picture, something of the sort. Then what is the outcome of microneedling facial? Put a before and after picture in there or in there. So every text has got to be broken with some pictures. Okay, don't actually. The rule of writing articles is that you've got to have words and broken with pictures. People like reading articles with pictures in there because it makes it easier. That's a rule, and it's got to be followed. So otherwise, it's too boring, and we can improve this by adding pictures. How many treatments? And then you add on Google search. You go say for example, you go Google how many treatments? How many treatments? Google image. So for example, you could use that, or you just how many treatments are in before and after to the removal. Say for example, in order to be quick, I would actually choose this one if it's suitable. So have a look what it says. And then I would actually cut only this one. Yeah. Only this one, so the text is not there anymore. Say for example, just this is an example, or this one, just cut it out, this one, that's it, done. For example, just as an example, if you've got to go really quick, oh, this one is better actually. How many treatments are needed? There you have it. This is the best picture, so I would actually take it out. Oh yes, it's actually from our website. Right enough. This is the way I've done it. Then heart, so and then I go in there, heart, and then that one, I would choose that one really quickly. For example, you can choose whatever you like, but it's very important that we have these things. Then certainly, what are the benefits of this, and then you can just find benefits, or results, or whatever benefits in there. So for example, benefits that one, or benefits that. So hopefully you understand. And then these pictures, make sure you don't take them from Dermapen specifically, because they're not going to be happy with that, especially if you improve content that's been inspired from their website. We've got to change. I haven't actually looked at it, but if we do a Google search of the text, mustn't be a match of that. So so you've got to change. You've got to finish this one off, finish everything off. So hopefully you get an idea of what we mean by doing that. So let's have a look. Microneedling. Click edit. No, we're going to go on edit. There. See what we get really quickly. It's not loading up yet, but hopefully you get the gist. In this one, obviously the before and after pictures have got to be placed in the right place in there. So I'm just waiting for that, but hopefully you do get it. The other thing I'd like to point out is that how much does microneedling cost? only very small, and that's got to be finished. Edit. And then you've got to finish all this, finish it off today, get it done, and that's it, because we've actually spent too much time on it. So have a look. It takes a bit of time. Needling pen, it's only a very small article. Microneedling, stretch marks. So if it's only small articles, you can put them in one page. But basically, by yesterday, you should have actually taken all the content from that website and put it on ours and modified it and everything. Stretch marks, only very small. I'm actually looking here one by one. Like, takes a bit to takes a bit. Yeah, that's fine. That looks quite good. You've got to complete it because obviously it's not perfect. But you gotta actually go there and finish it. As I say, you've got to put everything. Microneedling tattoo removal. I would actually not do that. Not the microneedling for tattoo removal. It's actually not a good idea. PRP microneedling, that's a very good thing. So basically, you see that you've gotta take it away. Okay, this is not good application. Actually, burn scars, yes, it's fine. Just finish it off. Let's just say, focus today and tomorrow most to finish off everything. Then PRP microneedling, that's it. Yeah, that's a very good picture. Make sure that they're okay, but mix it with text. You cannot actually get a bit of text, as you know, and get that in there. Okay, so the idea of mixing them is a very, very good thing. Okay, that's it. Beautiful. Hopefully you do get it. Okay, that's it. That is not a burn scar. This is a hypertrophic scar. But if it's too small of articles, you've gotta put them together into one. So, but it should take you. If you so make sure you focus one day on finishing off these articles. Okay, just finish them off, polish them, put restructure them quickly. And that's really it, ok?
Bisogna da vincere telefonare la gente.
Sì. So finish it off, restructure them, and finish them off by tomorrow. So just dedicate one day to finish everything off, polish them, put the pictures, and that's really it, okay? Because you spent already a long time on it, and you should have, let's have a look. Then you see that one. Just finish in the best possible way you can. Obviously, you know how to do that. Dedicate your time on finishing it off. Okay. So, and then by the end of the 13th, that is finished. Okay, you just don't do any more work on this. Let's have a look what we've got in there. Just having a quick look as we speak. Let's have a look. Yeah. So I think the seal is not you're not going to be able to finish it. Say for example, if we go on the dermapen.com, and we find much more content that you've put in our website. There's far more content, so there'll still be more work to do, but we can actually spend it on that. You see, that is something we already spent a lot on. Trademark, that's not really not interesting. Yeah, there's more content on Dermapen and still structured quite well. So yeah, okay, that's it.